Have you ever considered that the wholesome bowl of oatmeal you diligently enjoy each morning, a breakfast revered for its health benefits, might actually be holding a hidden secret, especially once you've passed the age of 60? While oatmeal itself is undeniably good for you, a crucial, often missed detail could be the difference between maintaining youthful, flexible arteries and inadvertently contributing to their slow stiffening and clogging over time. As we mature, our arteries naturally begin to lose their elasticity, a process that can be accelerated or mitigated by what we choose to add to our daily oats. The truth is, while a simple bowl of oatmeal provides a great start, it's not quite potent enough on its own to truly combat years of plaque buildup or actively repair aging blood vessels. But what if there was a simple, delicious way to transform your ordinary breakfast into a powerful shield for your heart and arteries? What if 5 natural, readily available ingredients could unlock a secret to sweeping away cholesterol, supercharging your circulation, and keeping your heart robust for years to come? Stay with us, because we're about to unveil these 5 incredible additions, and the final one, ingredient number 1, is so surprisingly effective that it could noticeably improve your blood flow in mere days, leaving you wondering why you haven't been doing this all along. One of the first unsung heroes for your morning bowl, particularly after 60, is a sprinkle of cinnamon. Most of us consider this warming spice simply a flavor enhancer, but its protective powers extend far beyond taste, acting as a quiet guardian for your arteries against an often overlooked culprit, sugar damage. Every time you eat, your blood sugar naturally rises, but with age, our bodies become less adept at managing these spikes, especially after decades of exposure to processed foods and refined carbohydrates. This excess sugar can react with the proteins in your arteries, forming sticky compounds, a process scientists call glycation, which rigidifies and inflames vessel walls, a primary driver of arterial aging. Cinnamon steps in as a gentle yet powerful regulator, skillfully slowing down how quickly carbohydrates convert into sugar, thus helping your body maintain stable glucose levels, rather than experiencing sharp surges. This essentially keeps your bloodstream calm, preventing the damaging effects of sugar. Scientific research further supports this, showing that consistent cinnamon consumption can lower fasting blood sugar and significantly enhance insulin sensitivity, ultimately leading to smoother, more flexible arteries. Beyond its sugar-regulating prowess, cinnamon is also brimming with antioxidants known as polyphenols, which actively defend your blood vessels from inflammation and the destructive force of free radicals, essentially giving your arteries a comforting internal massage each morning. Many seniors who incorporate Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, due to its milder taste and lower coumarin content, which can be harsh on the liver in large amounts, often report more stable energy throughout the day, improved focus, and a noticeable reduction in those draining midday crashes. Simply add about half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your oatmeal after cooking to preserve its delicate oils and aroma, and witness how such a small addition can profoundly transform not just your breakfast flavor, but the very health of your heart, helping your arteries retain their youthful vitality. Next on our list, and perhaps the most unexpected addition, is a subtle drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over your oatmeal. It might sound unconventional at first, but this simple habit can work astonishing wonders for your arterial health as you age. Often dubbed liquid gold, extra virgin olive oil stands as one of nature's most potent cardiovascular protectors, largely due to its rich concentration of polyphenols. These natural compounds are remarkable for their ability to soothe inflammation, actively prevent artery walls from hardening, and promote a smoother, more unrestricted blood flow throughout your system. For older adults, these polyphenols are especially vital, as they play a key role in restoring the naturally smooth and flexible texture of blood vessels, ensuring they remain both robust and elastic. Extensive studies have consistently shown that individuals who consume just 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily experience significant reductions in harmful LDL cholesterol, improved blood pressure readings, increased arterial elasticity, and a substantial decrease in their overall risk of heart disease by as much as 30%. These aren't just statistics. They manifest as tangible, everyday improvements for seniors: increased warmth in hands and feet, reduced post-meal fatigue, a more consistent heart rhythm, and enhanced mental clarity throughout the day. The true genius of olive oil, however, lies not only in its standalone benefits, but also in its ability to amplify the nutritional power of the other ingredients in your oatmeal. This means every spoonful becomes even more potent for your heart. The key is to always opt for cold-pressed, unrefined extra virgin olive oil, and, crucially, never cook it, as heat can destroy its beneficial compounds. A simple teaspoon drizzled over your cooked oatmeal right before serving adds a smooth, subtle richness, elevating your breakfast into a truly heart-nourishing ritual, with every drop silently working to keep your arteries supple, your circulation vigorous, and your heart safeguarded, one morning at a time. Moving on to nature's tiny blue powerhouses, blueberries are an indispensable ally for aging arteries. Their deep, vibrant hue isn't merely for aesthetic appeal, it's a visual indicator of their rich content of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that tirelessly protect your blood vessels from the inside out. As we age, our arteries are increasingly exposed to stress from unstable molecules known as free radicals. These damaging molecules assault the inner lining of your arteries, making them stiff and rough, a critical precursor to plaque accumulation. Blueberries act like a diligent cleanup crew, swiftly neutralizing these free radicals before they can inflict harm, essentially serving as tiny, powerful shields that keep your arteries smooth, strong, and flexible. Landmark studies, such as one published in the Journal of Nutrition, have demonstrated that adults who consume just a cup of blueberries daily experience marked improvements in arterial flexibility and overall blood flow. Further research has revealed that blueberries boost the production of nitric oxide, a compound essential for helping blood vessels relax, leading to improved circulation, lower blood pressure, and more efficient oxygen delivery throughout the entire body. For seniors, these physiological enhancements translate into tangible daily advantages: warmer extremities, a more stable heart rate, sharper cognitive focus, and increased stamina during activities like walking or everyday chores, all clear indicators of a healthier, more vibrant circulatory system. To reap these benefits, incorporate about half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries into your oatmeal. Frozen berries are equally nutritious, as they are flash frozen at their peak ripeness, preserving their powerful compounds. As they gently warm into your oats, they release a rich purple-blue juice, a visible sign of their potent antioxidants infusing your meal. Remember to steer clear of canned or syrupy varieties, as the added sugars can negate the very benefits you're seeking. For an even broader spectrum of protective compounds, consider combining blueberries with other berries like raspberries or blackberries. With every spoonful, you're not merely enjoying a delicious fruit, you're giving your arteries a daily, invigorating tune-up, essentially bottling youthful vitality within your breakfast bowl. Our penultimate ingredient, often overlooked despite its immense power, is flax seeds. Though deceptively tiny, these seeds are absolute giants when it comes to safeguarding your arteries. They are one of nature's most concentrated sources of soluble fiber and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, two critical nutrients that are instrumental in keeping arteries clear, robust, and wonderfully flexible. Flax seeds function as nature's internal broom. Once consumed, their soluble fiber creates a gel-like substance in your digestive tract that effectively binds with cholesterol particles, gently escorting them out of your body before they have a chance to harden into artery-clogging plaque. Think of it as a thorough yet gentle daily sweep for your arteries. A notable study demonstrated that participants who regularly incorporated flax seeds into their diet saw their bad LDL cholesterol levels drop by up to 10% in a mere 4 weeks. However, their benefits extend beyond cholesterol management. Flax seeds are also abundant in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a special type of omega-3 that plays a crucial role in calming inflammation within your blood vessels. When arteries are smooth and calm, blood flows unimpeded, delivering vital oxygen to your heart, brain, and muscles without restriction. Many seniors report subtle but significant improvements after adding flax seeds to their routine, such as warmer hands and feet, easier breathing, and a consistent lift in morning energy, all unmistakable signs of improving circulation. An essential tip for maximizing their benefits is to always use ground flax seeds, not whole ones, as whole seeds often pass through the digestive system undigested, preventing you from absorbing their valuable nutrients. You can purchase them pre-ground or easily grind them yourself in a blender, storing them in the refrigerator to maintain the freshness of their delicate oils. Stir 1 tablespoon into your warm oatmeal, allowing it to thicken slightly. Its mild, nutty flavor harmonizes beautifully with fruit or a touch of honey, offering a small dietary adjustment that builds into a powerful, long-term defense, quietly clearing pathways and ensuring a smoother, more efficient circulation for life. Finally, we arrive at our most powerful and perhaps most surprising ingredient, walnuts. While they may appear simple, these unassuming nuts house one of the most potent combinations of nutrients for keeping your arteries open, flexible, and truly youthful, effectively helping your heart and blood vessels breathe again. Among all nuts, walnuts boast some of the highest levels of omega-3 fatty acids, a rich array of antioxidants, and a unique amino acid called L-arginine. Your body readily converts this L-arginine into nitric oxide, a crucial compound that acts like a gentle, internal signal, instructing your arteries to relax and widen. This relaxation allows blood to flow freely, unimpeded by pressure or friction. A key factor to understand is that as we age, our natural production of nitric oxide tends to decline, which is a significant reason why many older adults experience issues such as colder hands and feet, slower healing, and even elevated blood pressure. Integrating walnuts into your daily oatmeal can help counteract this age-related slowdown. Studies consistently show that consuming just a small handful of walnuts daily can dramatically improve blood vessel flexibility and reduce triglyceride levels, a type of fat strongly linked to heart disease. In essence, walnuts help restore the elasticity of your arteries, allowing them to expand and contract smoothly, much like they did years ago. Many seniors adopting this simple habit notice remarkable differences quite quickly, often within weeks. They report enhanced circulation, more stable blood pressure, improved mental clarity, and a more sustained morning energy. These are not magical effects, but rather biology working efficiently in your favor. Walnuts also contain a wealth of vitamin E, magnesium, and polyphenols, all of which synergistically protect your artery walls from oxidative damage and prevent cholesterol from adhering. Together, these compounds provide comprehensive nourishment for your cardiovascular system, bolstering its structure, optimizing its function, and strengthening its defense. For optimal results, aim to eat 4 to 5 walnut halves each morning. Chop them and add them after your oatmeal has cooked to preserve their satisfying crunch and beneficial oils. Be sure to avoid salted or sugar-coated versions, as these additives can unfortunately negate the very heart-protective benefits you seek. With every bite, you're making a small, yet profoundly impactful choice, feeding your arteries the vital nutrients they need to remain strong, flexible, and free-flowing. This isn't just breakfast. It's truly a daily dose of heart therapy in a bowl. Now, you might be wondering, this sounds incredible, but how often should I truly embrace this? And do I really need to combine all these ingredients every single morning? These are excellent questions, and we're here to clarify. For most seniors over 60, making this heart-protective oatmeal a regular part of your daily breakfast routine is arguably one of the most straightforward and profoundly effective habits you can cultivate. Oats, flax seeds, cinnamon, blueberries, and walnuts are all natural, gentle foods, perfectly suitable for daily consumption, yet powerful enough to instigate significant positive changes over time. The real magic lies in consistency, not extremism. When it comes to heart health, consistent small daily choices compound into monumental transformations. Regarding combining all the ingredients at once, the answer is a resounding yes. Absolutely. Not only can you safely blend them into a single bowl, but doing so actually enhances their individual benefits. This is where the concept of nutrient synergy truly shines. Natural foods amplify each other's effects within your body. For instance, the fiber from flax seeds aids your system in absorbing the powerful antioxidants from blueberries more effectively. The healthy fats in walnuts boost the absorption of cinnamon's arterial protective compounds. And here's a secret many overlook. A modest drizzle of extra virgin olive oil ties everything together beautifully. Its natural polyphenols act as a carrier, helping your body absorb even more nutrients from every other ingredient in the bowl, all while directly nourishing your arteries, improving circulation, and fortifying your heart with each bite. If starting with everything feels overwhelming, feel free to introduce them gradually. Perhaps flax seeds one week, cinnamon the next, then slowly incorporate blueberries, walnuts, and finally the olive oil drizzle. Once the habit is formed, there's no need to rush. Consistency, not perfection, is the ultimate goal. As for the best time to enjoy this potent meal, morning is ideal. Starting your day with these nutrients provides your body with immediate tools to stabilize blood sugar, support robust circulation, and maintain steady energy levels well into the afternoon. However, if you prefer oatmeal as a light evening meal, the benefits remain equally potent. For added convenience, many seniors love preparing small jars of the dry mix, oats, ground flax seeds, and cinnamon in advance. In the morning, simply add water or milk, toss in some fresh or frozen blueberries and walnuts, and finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for a hearty breakfast ready in minutes. Remember, the journey towards better health is about progress, not perfection. Even if you enjoy this enriched oatmeal just a few times a week, your body will profoundly thank you. Every bowl contributes to smoother blood flow, lower cholesterol, and stronger arteries, quietly rebuilding what age and time may have worn down. So whether it becomes an occasional delight or your cherished daily ritual, this isn't merely a meal. It's a profound, simple act of care for your most vital organ, one that can truly make a life-changing difference after 60. Before you embark on this delicious journey, an important disclaimer. While all these foods are natural and undeniably beneficial, it is always wise to listen intently to your body and consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. This is especially crucial if you are currently managing conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol. The information shared in this video is strictly for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or a qualified health provider with any questions you may have about your health or a specific medical condition. To recap the incredible insights we've shared today, by simply incorporating a few potent natural ingredients into your morning oatmeal, you hold the power to help clear your arteries, dramatically improve circulation, and strengthen your heart, all before you even properly begin your day. Ground flax seeds diligently sweep away harmful cholesterol and calm inflammation within your arteries. Cinnamon precisely stabilizes blood sugar levels and safeguards your blood vessels from damaging effects. A simple drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, that liquid gold, nourishes your arteries directly, reduces inflammation, and profoundly enhances the absorption of nutrients from all the other ingredients. Just 1 teaspoon can make your entire breakfast far more effective at protecting your heart. Blueberries actively help repair the inner lining of your arteries, ensuring they remain smooth and flexible. And finally, walnuts, your ultimate secret weapon, restore critical nitric oxide levels, allowing your arteries to stay open, supple, and truly youthful. When these 5 powerhouse ingredients unite, your morning oatmeal transcends an ordinary breakfast. It transforms into a daily heart care ritual that quietly supports your energy, sharpens your focus, and invigorates your circulation, one healthful bite at a time. The most empowering part? You don't need expensive pills, complex supplements, or costly treatments. Just real wholesome food, a touch of consistency, and a little self-care every single morning. If this video has inspired you, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with someone you care about, and subscribing to Senior Vital Health for more simple, science-based tips to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier. Remember, the smallest habits possess the incredible power to create the biggest, most impactful changes in your life.